Squarespace uses featured images to represent individual collection items, like blog posts, events, and products, in different areas of your site. To add a featured image, first open the Pages panel and click a blog, event, or portfolio page. Hover over the item, for example, a blog post, and click the ellipses. Then click Settings. In the Content tab, drag and drop an image or choose a file from your computer to upload. If the item already has an image, click Remove Image, then add a new one. Click Save. To change your product's featured image, double-click a product. In the product editor, go to the Images section. If there's already a featured image, click the ellipses, then delete. Next, upload an image or select an existing one from your image library. Click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.